guess you're rigid. You know, Dolly Bird, and I don't really care, cause sleeping with you frankly gives me a scare. I bet you look good in the kitchen, doing the dishes and wishing you with me, my mates down the pub. I said, I bet you're really good at the ironing, hanging me clothes out for drying while I'm sitting watching Sky Sports. Pass me a Cronenberg 1664. I wish you'd stop nagging me, because you're sending me to despair. You want me to take you out, but I don't think that's really fair, cause you're not that good looking, and your ass is all flabby. Your name isn't Nigella, your cooking's quite bland, but a few more beers I might give you a ba-ba-ba. I bet you look good on the bed, with 2 paper bags on your head, just in case the first one falls off. I said, I bet you look good on all fours, with a J-cloth and some hot water, scrubbing me kitchen floor. Get me another Cronenberg 1664. Oh, there ain't no love, no sexy folks, I'm just banging me hand to me muggy bugs in the park with dreams of naughtiness. I bet you look good in the kitchen, doing the dishes and wishing you would have made me mates down the pub. I said, I bet you're really good at the ironing, hanging me clothes out for drying while I'm sitting watching Sky Sports. Get me another Cronenberg 16.